Alright, so as you can probably see, this is not right at all. It's doing this on both sides, but I do believe that I know what the issue is. And it's underneath the dash and everything else for me to fix. But like I said, as you can see, that's not right. It's supposed to be blinking like this. But it's not. So let's fix that. Let go. Alright, so the only thing that you really need for this process is here. You got your little small ratchet right there. Alright, then you got your 7mm socket there, and then you can easily have like a little screwdriver, or what I have here, an adapter for the ratchet. And also, you have your flasher, which I don't have pictured here, but it will be pictured soon. So let's get to it. Alright, so we're actually working under the dash here. And as you can see, right here, you have two screws, one on each side. Both of them are actually Phillips head screwdriver screws. So that's what we'll be using for it. And then these right here, I don't know if you can see it or not. Uh-oh, it's a little too dark. But either way, what I'm trying to show you is a screw right there. I think you can see it a little bit. There's one right there, and then there's one right here. And with that being said, I think it's a 7. That's why I grabbed the 7 out. So let's get to it. Let's go on and take this mess off so we can get to my flasher so that I can have some more working signal lights. Let's go. Yes, sir. So now it is pretty much taken off. Like I said, them 4 screws. And what we were actually looking for is right here. So all that it takes now is just to disconnect. Let's see. Make it center like a little clip. And straight like that. That's all that it is to it. And disconnect these connectors here, and we should have some turn signals back on. How about that? Okay, the rest of the dash just decided to fall down. But how about that? Yeah. So I'm just going to disconnect these, and then we'll be on our way. Let's get it. Alright, so what you see here on the right side is the new one. Got it from Napa. Yeah, buddy. And what you see here is the factory GM. It will actually focus. The factory GM flasher. So let's see how this goes. Alright, so I actually went on and connected it, and let's see how this goes. Alright, so apparently it worked for me, this approach, as far as, going with the flasher. But I've heard that with one bulb being out, the same exact thing can happen as well. So, I mean, them are, most of the two common things or issues that are going on with the F body, or even probably any car, more than likely. But this did seem to fix, my issue. So therefore, I will go with, the relay if this does happen again. But and plus it's a quick fix, and it's a cheap fix as well. So yeah, I mean, well, the bulb, it don't cost that much either, but still, this is, it was pretty cheap. Either way, it's pretty cheap and easy to fix. But yeah, so y'all just stay tuned. Whatever that, you might just have as far as ideas go or anything, just let me know, and I will, try my best to have this on the channel, or have that on the channel rather. And hopefully, by you watching this video, you learn, you learn what the issue is and how to, go against the issue and actually resolve it. Hopefully you did. And thank you for actually watching this video. Thank you very much. And hopefully you go ahead and you can, hit that thumbs up button, like, subscribe, even comment, whatever it helps, whatever helps. And as long as you pretty much, can get engaged and whatnot, then I can see that I'm helping you guys out, especially with videos like this. And if nothing else claims my attention, then it's Tico, and I'm signing out.